Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today we're going to be testing and shooting a roll on a really cheap point and shoot film camera, the Canon SureShot 130U. This camera is my go-to, pretty much my go-to film camera when I'm going out, not for photography, just for like casual settings. Unless I bring a disposable camera along, I'll usually bring this. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. I was shooting Color Plus 200 on this too. After shooting in the neighborhoods for a while, we eventually went to St. Paul, Minnesota. And this is easily one of my favorite shots of the day. The one with the enter sign. I just don't know. I don't know the traffic cone, the shade, the light. It just all looks great, in my opinion. You guys be the judge of that. It was such a great day for photography. There were so many light pockets, and the light and shadows were just great for the in-city. And we ended the day with Alright, and that is the video. My basic thoughts, my first thoughts with this camera is it's just fun. It's really nice to, like, you know, just whip out a camera, snap a shot, rolls itself, so you don't have to like worry about forgetting a moment. Missing a moment if you accidentally forget to cock the film advance and then tap it. That's really nice that it film advances itself. I have never had problems with this, but electronic film cameras are notorious for having problems with like film advance and exposure and shutter speeds and stuff. But so far, no problems with this. It still holds great and works amazing. So that's definitely a plus. Other than that, it's a great little camera. It's definitely my go-to. I store it in this little side bag, which I like a lot because I can just whip it around my side and walk around, and it basically feels like it's not even there. And it kind of, I think it kind of looks good, but again, I'm also no fashion diva. But yeah, here are my favorite shots of the day. I got a couple of great images in the city. That's pretty much it. I love this camera. I recommend it if you're a beginner film photographer and want something. It's also nice because it's a zoom lens. It goes from 38 millimeters all the way to 130 millimeters. So you got a nice zoom in there too. Kind of looks a little wonky, doesn't it though? But yeah, it's just kind of great all around. You got wide, you got tight. It does get really soft when you start zooming in, so I don't really do that much, but definitely nice to have just in case. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.